What springs to mind when you hear the phrase color modes in digital imaging? If you find yourself scratching your head, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be well versed in the fascinating world of color modes, and you'll understand how they work in the realm of digital photography. The first color mode is Grayscale. As the name suggests, this mode is all about shades of gray. An 8-bit grayscale image can contain up to 256 possible shades of gray, and a 16-bit grayscale image can theoretically contain up to 65,536 shades. However, we advise against using the grayscale option on your camera. Instead, process and store your black and white images in RGB to maximize the tonal range of the image. Moving on to the second color mode, RGB, or red, green, and blue, this color mode is popularly used for photographic images. The RGB color mode stores information about the image based on these three additive primary colors. The term additive here means that each color adds a wavelength of light to produce the final color. A file stored in RGB mode will contain 3 individual grayscale channels that describe the values of red, green, and blue for each pixel in the image. By mixing different values for each color channel for a given pixel, over 16.7 million possible colors for 8-bit images can be created. Lastly, we have the CMYK color mode, which stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and key, black. This mode is based on the subtractive primary colors of cyan, magenta, and yellow. To summarize, grayscale is all about shades of gray, RGB uses the 3 primary colors of light to create images, and CMYK uses the subtractive primary colors to create images. It's crucial to choose the right color mode for your images to ensure the best possible quality and color representation. So the next time you're working on a digital image, remember these color modes and how they can impact your final result.